Let's have a look at all the forms of the verb to be. In present simple, I am would be shortened to I'm. You are, you're. He is, she is, it is. He, she, its. We are, we're. You are, you're. They are, they're. The question form would be, am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they? The negative form would be, I am not. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. He's not. We are not. We aren't. We are not. You are not. You aren't. You are not. They are not. They aren't. They are not. Some examples of using this could be, Hi, my name is Akansha. Or you could say, I am Akansha. You are? ? He is there in the class. We are at the party. You are so tall. They are coming at 5 o'clock. You will use the verb to be a lot in English. Practice makes you perfect. Practice as many sentences as you can with the formation with the infinitive form of verb to be.